ngayon na ako nakarinig ng we are resting our case, we are making a formal offer, we are resting our case with a reservation. Pag sinabi mong resting your case, tapos ka na. That's an oxymoron to say that you're resting and yet you'll come alive at a certain point at your pleasure. That cannot be done. Hindi ka ba nag-trial notebook? Alam mo naman na gusto mo palang magpresenta ng isang testigo, ba't di mo tinanong noon pa? Ganon yun. Ngayon na ako nakakarinig itong mga milagro na ito. Maybe it is correct that climate change has already changed everybody's heads. Because I feel like I've just been confronted by sinkhole. I've never heard this concept before in trial court. At hanap buhay ko yun, araw-araw yun. Sari-saring sinungaling narinig ko. Yun. Ay, kayo naman, oo, nagbibiro kayo. You gotta be joking. Pagkatapos, it will take us so much time to make our offer of evidence. Wah! For the second time. Wah! Round 2. Nag-recite na kamo niyan noon, tapos ulitin pa ninyo. Eh, yun lang pag kahirap-hirap ninyo. Ay, sus Mariusek, where are your neurons? Where are your synapses? Your brains are very, very dark. You know, when you use our brains, the electrical impulses from one neuron jumps to another neuron. That is called a brain activity or a brain wave. Ngayon, kung may brain wave ka, lahat ng utak mo, kumikislap. It's entirely lighted. Ngayon, kung madilim na madilim ang utak mo, your neurons are not working. You are flatlined. Meaning to say, hindi ba? Kung buhay pa ang pasyente, naka-jump up and down ng kanyang recording instrument. Pero kung namatay na, nag-flatline na. O, yan ang nangyari sa inyo. Nagpa-flatline na kayo.